Okay, Leah hauls a 70-kilogram crate across a room, applying a force of 400 newtons at an angle of 30 degrees. So 400 newtons, 30 degrees here. They tell you there's definitely friction. You have your normal force and gravity. They want to know what is the acceleration. So in this scenario, the sum of the forces in the x direction are not equal to 0 because they tell you it's accelerating. But the crate is not going to levitate off the ground. So the sum of the forces in the y direction are still equal to 0. So again, we're going to add these up. We have friction in the x direction. We have the x component here of this force, so 400 cosine 30 equals max. Now we're going to plug in for friction, mu Fn. They know we are given the mass, so we can start plugging in some numbers here. They want to know, they tell you the coefficient of friction, 0.154. You don't know normal force. 400 cosine 30 equals 70A. So you have two unknowns here. That's when you know you have to switch to the y direction. So in the y direction, we've got the normal force plus the y component of this force minus gravity equals 0. So Fn is equal to mg minus 400 sine 30. And now we can plug in the mass, gravity, and when you solve for Fn in this question, you get 500 newtons. This is going to go over here. And if I divide both sides by 70, you'll get A, which should be about 3.85 meters per second squared if you use 10 for gravity.